Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you will be fine. Welcome back to English class. Today we will read the remaining part of story number 21, Sleepy Sarah. So open book page number 90. 91. You said good night to dad, said Shahid. You said good night to dad, said Shahid. What about saying good night to me? Saira laughed. Deep sleep, Shahid, she said. Saira was soon asleep. In the night, she had a dream. Saira was on a cloud. It was made of ice cream. The ice cream was cold. The sun was shining. Drip, 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 drip. Plip, plop, plip, plop. The clouds was getting smaller. Saira was sleeping. Saira was falling. Crash. Saira fell out of bed. Saira rubbed her sleepy eyes. Saira rubbed her sleepy eyes. It's only the tape dripping, thought Saira. She got into bed and went to sleep. Then Saira heard the clock. Then Saira heard the clock. Student, is your homework. Read book page number 91 and also highlight nouns with light colors. Allah Hafiz.